This is a wooden wardrobe, probably made in 70s. It is made of solid wood and is still in good condition structurally. The space where it will be is tiny, and I decided to paint the wardrobe in white, but not white as white, because it is a very old piece of furniture and has a lot of scratches and all kind of marks. I am creating texture with dabbing technique. Stay tuned to see how I'm going to use this texture. First, I cover the surface with the old white paint to get into all the corners and the crevices. And then, without letting the first coat dry, I get more paint to my brush and dabbing it over the first coat. I want this piece to look as it was painted many years ago, and that is why I have only these 2 coats. You can even see the original wood through it. If you want a more solid coat, then you let it dry and paint it all over again. After the paint is dry, I have covered the whole piece with a clear wax to seal the paint. My next step is a black wax. With it, I want to make an accent on the details. As normally, I apply a black wax with a small makeup brush and then smear it with slightly bigger and softer makeup brush. And with even bigger and very soft makeup brush, I am ever so slightly dry brushing the whole surface of the piece. That is where the texture helps me. It created the high and low points, and the black wax is catching them, creating depth in the paint. To finish, I am covering the details with a silver gilding wax. These details are original to the piece, and after cleaning them with vinegar, I am refreshing them with a coat of a silver gilding wax and some antique wax. Just to remind you how it was before and how it is now. As you can see, it is a quite easy way to update an old piece of furniture. I mean to make it even older than it was when I got it. I will really appreciate if you subscribe to help me to reach more people like you who wants to learn how to paint the furniture. Thank you for stopping by, and I see you again with my new fun project.